Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and tell you how I'm getting 100 to 200 leads every single day. No, it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. Actually, the program that I'm talking about here is like the training wheel of email. It's like the training wheels of email marketing, right? It helps you how to crawl before you walk. It teaches you consistency and helps you build a routine. And the most fundamental routine and the most important skill you can have in online marketing, affiliate marketing, basically any kind of business marketing is emailing, right? Email marketing, a way that you can learn how to email your list daily. And this program is perfect for that. Now, I'm not promoting it for any other kind of hypey opportunity where you can make hundreds and thousands of dollars. No, I'm promoting it as a tool, as a training tool that if you really want to learn how to email a list, right? You want to learn how to put yourself on a consistent routine to email daily. This is the perfect opportunity for you. But not only that, you could email your list. This particular list is a buyer list, right? So you can email this list, ClickBank opportunities, Warrior Plus opportunities. I've even had success promoting multiple income funnel, which is a little bit of high ticket opportunities where the price point is like $49 a month. I've had success doing that. Others in the same group I'm in have had multiple levels of success. In fact, this system is also the bonus income stream number 5 in the multiple income funnel. So it is a way that you can generate income by promoting this training wheel of email marketing, right? This system, like I said, allows you to practice. It allows you to tweak headlines or subject lines in order to increase your openings. It allows you to tweak the body to increase your click rate, right? It gives you a little stat screen that you can kind of get an image, a picture of how your emails are doing, if they're being opened, if they're being clicked on, if they're, whatever, right? It's kind of a training platform from email marketing. And that's what I love it about. It's a training platform for learning how to email properly and making money while you do it. So anyway, what I want to do is I want to go into the My Lead Gen Secret, and I want to show you how easy it is to email your list one time a day. It basically is once every 24 hours. You will automatically get updated. So let's do a quick walkthrough in that. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. Yeah, this is a lead capture page that I made in one of my, and actually, the Power Lead system, right? It's pretty slick here. You just click here, and it takes you make serious money giving away leads, right? And it'll take you straight to the page. But this is just one capture page that is in the Power Lead system, right? So, but yeah, that's an awesome program too, but that's not what we're here about. Let me see. Let's go over to My Lead Gen Secret. Here's the page here. As you know, if you want to know the secret to making money online, it is the list. It is the list, and you know that. And this just tells you of all the benefits of having a list, how to get a list, and how you can use this list to increase your online success, right? All for a measly $30 a month. I'll just put the price out there. It's not ridiculous. But like I said, for a training wheel type program that trains you how to get up daily and email your list, this is awesome, right? Then once you graduate for this, you'll be able to go to your own list and you already have a habit established. But by that time, you probably don't build up commissions using it, right? You know what I'm saying? So anyway, it tells you what a funnel is, 100 leads in, 100 prospects, 10 customers, and that equals cash, right? Because the funnel, you put a whole bunch into the funnel and you sift out the prospects, right? The customers, right? So it says 100 leads equal 100 sales, 200 leads equal 2 sales, 1,000 leads equals 10 sales. Now imagine if you multiply that out with dollar amounts, right? But it's all about how the email is written, and this is the platform that you can use to play around with that and test your email game and figure out, and train and learn how to do proper email marketing. That's what I love about this platform. And it's a very affordable platform to learn how to do that as well. How do you split the cost of $10 to $100 leads so you pay just a penny? And it explains to you how these leads are accumulated, how they're gathered, and and then how you can get them for such an affordable price, right? So I'll let you click on here. But here's a perfect little table here. Can I share 100 of these high quality leads with you every single day? So you will get 100 leads a day, totaling 3,000 leads a month. But if you happen to refer this opportunity to one other person and they join you, you'll get 200 leads a day. And it adds up pretty fast, right? So that'll be 6,000 leads in 1 month that you can email. Here's some testimonials for just $1 a day, $30 a month. You get 100 leads a day. So anyway, that's just a quick overview of that. I just want to quickly go in and show you just how I'm going to email my list. So I'm gonna log in here. It always does that for some reason. It always makes me go through twice. But anyway, as you can see, this is my welcome screen. I qualify for 200 leads a day, 100 bonus leads, and here's some of the stats, right? So with this headline, I emailed 64,100 leads here, right? 3,000 open, 168 click, 5% open rate, and a 6% click-through rate. And I'll just continue to show you a little bit more. So that's just the overall stat screen, right? So then you also can get, you can download your leads. Now, warning, you cannot upload these leads to any kind of autoresponder, but if you partner with me in this opportunity, you'll get access to a private Facebook group that they do a lot of list cleaning. So then you can take that list and try to do something with it. And also in that group, they show you how to create your own autoresponder, right? A DIY autoresponder. Here are some bonus swipes that you can get. As you can see, they're easy to load. So let me show you real quick. If I want to use this one, I click import email list and it pops over here and see it's automatically there. You see that? And I just verify my links are in there correctly and I hit send. Okay, so those are the done for you email swipes, right? There's 30 of them. Okay, so you never run out of emails. Plus, like I said, you get to experiment and use your own emails, which I'm going to show you here. I'm going to use the email that I've written in my get response autoresponder that I'm just going to, put in here. Okay, so here's the email system. But before we go here, I wanted to show you the stats screen. So here's the stats screen. As you can see, like I said, on 12/6, today's the 7th. 12/6, I emailed this email here. I'll show you. And it says, you won't believe what just happened. It can happen to you. And I have a little picture, $100 a day opportunity. Here are my links. And then I give a bonus if they sign up with me, 100 clicks to your site. You get my assistance. You get 50 MMO email swipes that I'm offering. Also, here's a opportunity here for that same link, my name. And here is a PS line that has an opportunity as well. So I have a couple different links in here, but I just, you never know. They always click the first one that's closest to the top, but they all always, and also I've noticed they click the last PS line one. But this is the email I sent yesterday. So as you can see, I had 3,000 opens, right? 168 people clicked on it. But the way these emailers do, this email can go out, and I'll show you real quick. So here's basically from the time I sent it on the 6th, right? These are all, it started going out on the 7th. You see that? And it's still being emailed, and they're on a different time zone, but it's still emailing out on the 8th, right? So people are still receiving these emails, right? It's still opening and it's still clicking. And over here, you see some of the stats, right? This has a 6.74 open rate, 5. Here's the click rate, click to open. I want to see a higher one over here. Here's one right here. Get the secret to my wealth. This is a short email that I read here. And I've been playing around with this subject line here and add my picture and then, create your free account, right? But I play around with them. So basically I'll probably take one of these high numbers here, use this subject line again because it had a lot of opens, right? And actually the body, I had a lot of clicks on here. So let's look at that again. So I'll probably use this email because it's kind of, the subject line got a lot of opens and then the clicks got a lot of clicks, and it's short and to the point, right? And it gives an introduction to who I am. But anyway, that's kind of what I look at. You can play around with it, and then you can take these emails and put them in your normal email rotation somewhere else. It also gives you like a line graph of how you're doing. I noticed that some of these dips are like on the weekends. You know what I mean? So from what I see, it just seems like there's less opens. Like before, it seems like there's less opens on the weekend. So then the peak on Mondays, this is like Sunday, Monday. Then I'm about to send again. So anyway, so that's a little bit of how that is. And here's the affiliate page where it shows the affiliate commissions, right? You go 5 levels deep. For the first referral, you get $5 a month. The second, you get 4. The third, 3. The fourth, 2. The fifth, 1. You also can get a superstar bonus if you get 5 signups, right, in a 7-day period. So that's an extra $100 that you can make. Here are some affiliate links here. Here's the commission page, and then here's your downline page, right? I don't have a huge downline, but hey, I got a big list, right? So anyway, what I want to do is I want to show you how I'm going to send this email out right now. So this is the once a day emailer, right? And like I said, I've been playing around with this email here. And I'm going to use this subject line. I'm shocked. This is unbelievable, right? So let me jump back over here, and I'm going to put that subject line here, right? And so what I do is I select all my leads. And right here, as you can see, I got 64,300 leads. I send it out with my name. I put that subject line here, right? And now I'm going to go here and I'm going to get the body of this email I've been working with. And I already have the links in there, I believe, but it's straight and to the point. It says, I've never seen anything like this. Can you believe it? 500 buckaroos in less than a week with doing, without doing anything. Speechless, shocked. All you have to do is follow the one-step formula, which my grandma can do without sweating. And best of all, it runs on autopilot after setup. Why are you still reading this boring email? Grab it as fast as humanly possible. Reach out. I'm here to help. Steve. P.S. Grab my free 100% commission generating viral builder here. So that's the email, and I'll give it a breakdown of actually what's in there when I copy it over here. So now I'm back to here, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to scroll up, backspace, and I'm just going to paste here. Now, I think I'm missing a word. I've. Yeah, I didn't copy I've. So I'm going to come here and I'm put I. Now, I like making this kind of readable, legible. So I'm going to upsize the, I'm going to upsize that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to put a picture in here. And what I do is I use a program called Imgur, M-I-G-U-R. And on this platform, I have like some pictures that I've already downloaded. Also, you can come here and get some cool pics for posting on your social media platforms. But I just store like pictures here. So I'm gonna get a picture of myself here. I'm gonna grab this link and I'm gonna come back over to here and I'm gonna click on the image and I'm gonna put that here. And I'm going to just click here and I'm gonna minimize this to like 300 and I'll change this to 302. More squares, okay. And that's just my picture. I just threw that here. I'm going to get rid of this space here, and I'm going to put a space here. Also, you can always put, like, for instance, I'll put connect with me here so they can reach out, and that's where I'll go to my Facebook, grab my Facebook URL. You can't see it. It's off screen real quick because I got a supersized screen, right? I'm going to grab my URL from Facebook. I'm going to jump back over here, and I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to embed. Oops. Hold on. Man, I hate that. Hold on. Let me go here. Go here. Right? I'm going to embed my link. And boom, right here. And I hit OK. So I just did that. Now, what this link is right here, I'm going to bold that. What this link is I'll show you. This is a free viral list builder. Right? It's a page I made. So I'll put that there at the PS line. I'm going to bold this. I'm not sure why that came out like that. I'm going to bold this. Oh, hold on. Bold this. Bold. I'm also going to bold this. Bold. Right? And what I'll do is I'll hit perfect timing. But I'll show you a preview real quick. So here's the preview of the email I just made. I'm shocked. This is unbelievable. If I click here, it takes me to a bridge page that I made for, and I click here, the multiple income funnel, which is an opportunity that promotes the My Lead Gen Secret and 4 and 6 other income streams, right? So that's how I'll promote that. Go back and then go back to here. And also this link is also linked to that same bridge page, right? And then my last link here is linked to a way that you can easily generate $100, 100% commissions, right? And this is my review page with a create your free account button here. And that coincides with, like I said, this last PS line here. So anyway, that's how you do that. And that's how you set up that email real quick, right? So it's all congruent. Also, if you didn't know, you can go here and here's the training. So if you click Mailing System 101 and click that, that has a video here that is a 30-minute video that teaches you how to do exactly pretty much what I've done, okay? So, so let me close that. And then that's it. So I click perfect timing. I want to just double check. I got my subject line. I click that, right? I'm emailing 64,300 leads, and we already saw the preview. All the links are good. We checked them. And so all I do is hit send. And that's it. And so in a minute here, you'll see that it'll say the emails are queued and they will go out, right? And then I'll be able to email in another 24 hours. So that's as easy as it is. Believe me, this video is longer than what it takes to email daily. But like I said, this is a perfect program that will give you 100 to 200 leads a day and also train you, because it'll help you build that consistency, that routine of emailing, like I said, which is a fundamental, but one of the most important fundamentals of online marketing and affiliate marketing. So this is a perfect platform for training, right? And also it has a commission attached to it. Now, if you're interested in making and using this opportunity to partner with me, I'm always down to help, but there'll be a link in the description box below. Also, like I said, this is also a component of the multiple income funnel. And if you're interested in that opportunity, there'll be a link for that in the description box below. So as always, hope you enjoyed the content. Like, share, and subscribe.